Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate if you are does not update or enabling your secure boot. So how to enable secure boot, I cleanly explain for this video. So you can go to first check if it is enable or not. Check to then you can go to enable the your secure boot. So first of all, you can go to check system information, then you can scroll down here, then you can go to find out secure boot status. Here turn it on. If it is turn it on, you already enabled. If it is turn it off, you it is does not enabled. So you if it is does not enabled, then you can go to do it this continue this video. So don't waste your time, let's get started the steps. First step, you can go to click on the start menu and click on the power button and press the shift button plus restart button. Click here, click to wait 2 or 3 minutes. After that you get like this display.